Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use low-fat paneer. This versatile ingredient is a fantastic addition to a healthy diet, offering a great source of protein with fewer calories than its full-fat counterpart. We'll explore easy ways to incorporate it into your meals, making healthy eating both simple and delicious. Get ready to discover new culinary possibilities and enjoy the benefits of this nutritious food. When cooking with low-fat paneer, remember that marinating it beforehand can significantly enhance its flavor and texture. You can grill, bake, or pan-fry it to perfection, but be careful not to overcook it, as this can make it rubbery. Aim for a golden brown exterior and a tender interior for the best results. These simple techniques will help you create truly delightful dishes. Low-fat paneer is incredibly adaptable, making it perfect for a variety of dishes. Try adding it to fresh salads for a satisfying protein boost, or incorporate it into vibrant stir-fries and flavorful curries as a healthy main course. You can also create quick and tasty snacks like paneer tikka skewers or wholesome sandwiches. The possibilities are truly endless for delicious and nutritious meals. Beyond its culinary versatility, low-fat paneer offers excellent health benefits. It supports muscle growth and helps you feel full longer, making it an ideal choice for managing your calorie intake. Don't be afraid to experiment with different spices and ingredients to discover your favorite combinations. Enjoy exploring the many ways this wonderful food can enrich your diet and elevate your cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.